Hi everyone, I am Fiona. Today, after listening to our explanation of the various indicators and product advantages of EPS Line molds, the customer chose a better process. The molds were compared using mirror polishing and anodizing processes. After multiple rounds of testing, as shown in the video, mirror polishing is currently the only solution that can effectively solve the aluminum gas plug mark problem. Therefore, starting from this improvement, we will fully upgrade the surface treatment process of the new molds and uniformly adopt mirror polishing, which not only improves the quality of the molds, but also further improves the appearance and overall quality of the final product. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.